And welcome to Corbellic Studios. Today we're going to be painting some red cherries. This is going to be beautiful artwork that's going to go in the kitchen. It's going to go in the hallway or even the entrance of the doorway as soon as you go into the home. These are beautiful things that you can paint where it could just be a variety of different art that you could just put into your store. That way you have all kinds of different variations for people to come into your store. You don't want it to always look the same and have the same concept. All right, people will get bored of it, and you want to try to trick up the algorithm. All right, it's not only just about tricking up the buyer and changing it up, but the algorithm's really smart and they know what you're painting. All right, so let's just change it up and just have something different. I'm inspired by everything, so there hasn't been probably a topic or theme or something out there that I didn't paint. And all the 17,000 paintings that I sold, I painted it all. So we're just going to fill it up. This is how you're going to attract more people, more buyers, and more impressions into your store. All right, let's do it. All right, this is our cherries right here. So let's make our background a little bit of a similar color, kind of like a orangish. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, like a dark brown orange cream. I never know what I'm doing. We're just doing it. All right. And don't ever try to think, what's the right background color, or what's the right this move, or what's the right that. You'll never have the right answer. It's just really whatever you show up with. As long as you showed up, that's the right answer. Just show up and do the art. That's the right answer. I always say that when actors are some of the best actors, they're not great because they can act, which is true. It's more so that they just choose anything. They just make it a decision and made it bold, and they just go for it. It's the same thing of what we do in art. Let's dry this off. Boom, and there we go right there. It's the greatest part about using acrylic. It doesn't take long to dry. Now let's just sketch this out and see what we come up with. These things probably won't even look like cherries afterwards or something. Who knows? They could come out and look like tomatoes, And we just did a tomato painting, but I think we'll be okay. I've had paintings like that, and I it happens all the time. It's okay. Where it's like I have an intention, even with using the projector, for it to look like something, and then it just comes out looking like a little something else. And then when it looks like something else, I don't fight it. I say that that's what I intended it for, whatever it comes out looking like. And that's what I'll call it. If it comes out looking like a cantaloupe, I'll say, hey, it's a cantaloupe painting. I won't say it's a cherries. You get my drift. All right, so now let's go into this with some dark red. I'm going to use a little bit of purple. And let's go straight into it like this. We're coming up on the new year. It's coming up fast. It's about to be 2026. Let me know in the comments how you feel about that. Any New Year's resolutions? Anything that you're planning? Anything that you're focused on? Any resets? The cool thing about life is that you don't have to be so down on yourself. It's already hard enough just living. And you can always reinvent yourself. You can always be who you intended to be tomorrow. That's the good thing about tomorrows, is that you can always be who you intended to be. It's never too late to live your life. It's never too late to live your life and whatever you tend to be. You don't have to wait until the new year to start living your life and do the things that you want to do. Me, I'm always the type where anything that I want to change for the new year, I start on it before, like a little bit before Christmas, kind of like now. And I feel like I'm in that season right now where I'm changing and I'm doing the things that I want to improve on. Like me, I want to improve on making more content, more art videos, improving some of the adding more courses. I mean, even though there's everything that's in there. I mean, I at this point I can't really think about too much of what else to add on there. There's so much built. It's pretty much on autopilot. But things like that, things that I could improve on in some of my other coaching businesses, or things that I want to do. But yeah, thinking about more content. And then, however that goes, as long as you try that too, and then if it doesn't go, then it doesn't go. I'm not one to be too down or hard on myself, because life has this way of showing you what's for you and what isn't for you, and not everything is for you. I know us Americans, we're in such this constant grind culture all the time, where it's like life has got to be all about work, 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 and grind and hustle. And sometimes you just got to step back and just be grateful for what we do have. And sometimes things that the grind session might not totally be for you, but it might be something else, and that's okay. You can't be always conditioned to think that we're only built to work, 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 pay bills, work. Oh, you got to get money. What did you get the money for? To pay bills. All right, imagine you pay all your bills off. Imagine you're not in debt, or you're actually starting to live your life. Then what? Then we have to start thinking about things that make us happy. What would we want? What would we want to start over for? Those are the type of conversations that I have with myself lately. When I think about 2026 and beyond, I think 2026 is going to be a very prosperous year for all of us. I think it's going to be a very, very great year for a lot of people. I think the money's going to flow, and it's going to be a great thing. But then after the money flows, then what? Is the question. And those are always the topics where I'm talking about the escape plan for your life or the evolution. All right. So look, we just did this. Let's turn the lights on. There's our cherries. I don't think anything. I wouldn't put any more thought into that. Look at that. There's our cherries right there. Just fun. Hey, maybe we'll call them apples. I'll have to see how they look on the screen afterwards. Maybe I'll just call them apples. Like I said, however it looks or however it goes, it's fine. Whatever it's supposed to be, it's supposed to be. You can't fight it. It was supposed to be that anyways, but it's still going to sell on eBay. We had a good time doing it. It's real quick. Look, if I can do this, you can do this. We work off of the Projector. I didn't go to art school, and I still was able to sell thousands of paintings. You can too. Click the link below. Join so you can see how we do this. Set your account up, all the templates. There's no guessing game for you. And look at that. That's still beautiful. I love that. Huh?